Okay, another little milestone tonight. So the lights are working. If you give it a credit, drop a quarter through, you'll get credits now. So I've got 10 credits. The problem is, when you go to start the game with the replay button, it spins the scoring wheel, but it doesn't start the game. So one thing that has to happen is when the game does start, it subtracts, so it'll go from 10 to number 9. And then the game starts. And so I got a ball there. And so I put a jumper on the replay unit, or the credit unit, whatever you want to call it. And if I take my jumper and short it out here on the button, look at that, goes to 9, and the game started. Now most everything works. This is 500 points. This is 500 points. This is 5,000 points. You got your thumpers. You got your drop targets. Oops. Oops. And then when the last drop target drops, they should all pop up, which they just did. So even the little guys are working. Those are 100 points. $5,000 points when lit, 5,000 points when lit. So everything's working, even the chimes. I just have stuff piled on the chimes so you don't really hear them. Anyway, if I can figure out where the short is on that, I think I'm going to be pretty close to being done.